All right, let's try this again. I tried going live, but it's freezing. It stinks. It just started snowing here in Philadelphia, probably, 30, 45 minutes ago. As you can see, it's slamming us hard already. Yeah, so here you go. I'm up on the rooftop. It's coming down. It's freezing. Goodness gracious. That's actually pretty cool looking. Yeah. And it's crazy. It always snows either around or on my birthday. I'm not trying to be one of those people, but dude, I'm going to be 45. Dude, that's old. I'm old. I'm going to be old on Monday. That stinks. So, yeah. Whatever. Ah, shoot. Oh, man. So, yeah, here it is, guys. Goodness. Oh, dude, it's like... Ugh. Oh, my God, it's so freaking cold. It's crazy because it was just friggin' like 50 degrees 2 days ago. Yesterday it was like 43, and then today it's like 10 degrees and blizzard. So, yeah, here it comes, guys. Welcome to Philly, and I hope everyone else is safe and made it safe with all that and this storm, which is now hitting us here in Pennsylvania and Jersey and everywhere else up in the Northeast. So, all right, later.